Good morning, children. Open your textbook, page number 154. Everyday maths, no children. Everyday maths, we did four statement sums. Now we are going to start fifth one. There are 858 students in a school, out of which 723 are going on a school trip. How many students are not going on the trip? Once again, I am saying that page number 153. Page number 153, everyday maths. We finished four sums, four statement sums we finished now. Now we are going to start fifth one. Fifth one, there are 858 students in a school, out of which 723 are going on a school trip. How many students are not going on the trip? Now you want to find the not going students on the trip. First, number of students in a school. Number of students. Number of students in a school. Number of students in a school. Number of students going on a trip. Number of students going on a trip. Now you want to find number of students not going on the trip. Number of students not going on the trip. Not going on the trip. Number of students in a school. How many students are there, children? 858 students. 858 students. Students going on a trip, 723. 723. You want to subtract. Subtract means minus. You want to do minus. Then only can find number of students not going on the trip. Now 8 minus 3. See, 8 minus 3. After 8 minus 3, 4, 5. After 3, you want to count, children. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 3, how much? 5. 5 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers open here? 3. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 7, 1. So, number of students not going on the trip means how many students not going on the trip? 135 students not going on the trip. Now, sixth one. A shopkeeper bought 836 books. He sold 728 books. How many books were left unsold? Number of books shopkeeper bought. Number of books shopkeeper bought. Number of books shopkeeper sold. Number of books shopkeeper number of books left unsold. Number of books left unsold. Number of books shopkeeper bought 836 books. 836 books. How many he sold? He sold 728 books. 728 books. Now you have to find number of books left unsold. Unsold. You cannot take a 8 from 6. So you want to borrow from 3, 3 if we borrow 1 year, 6 becomes 16, 3 becomes 2. 16 minus 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. See, once again I am saying that, children. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers open here? 8. So, 16 minus 8, 8. 2 minus 2, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. So, number of books left unsold means 108 books left unsold. Now, 7th one. Shall we read 5th one, children? Gautam's father got 393 toffees. Gautam's father got 393 toffees. Gautam distributed 297 toffees on his birthday. How many toffees were left? Now, number of 7th one. Number of toffees. Number of toffees. Number of toffees distributed. Number of toffees left. Therefore, number of toffees left. Number of toffees. Gautam's father got 393 toffees. How many distributed? 297. Now you want to find how many toffees left. See, you cannot take away 7 from 3. So, in tens place 9 is there, no children? You want to borrow 1. 3 becomes 13. 9 becomes 8. After 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7. 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6. So, you can, here 9, 8 and 9 is there. You cannot take away 9 from 8. So, here in hundreds place 3 is there. 8 becomes 18. If you borrow 1, 8 becomes 18. 3 becomes 2. 18 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. See, 9 fingers open, no children. 9, you want 18 minus 9, 9. 2 minus 2, 0. Now, number of toffees left, 96 toffees left. We finish statement sum. We'll go now page number 155. Find the missing numbers to reach the center. Today I'm going to do worksheet, children, in textbook, because this main I gave in worksheet, no? So that I am going to explain this also. Now page number 155. Finish it soon. We'll go to next one. Find the missing numbers to reach the center. Page number 155. Page number 155. Find the missing numbers to reach the center. To reach the center. Now first one. First one in center, which number is there? 30. 18 plus 29 22 20 25. See children, in middle 30 is there, in sleep 18, 29, 20, 22, 25. You want to add, see, if we 18, if you had the 18 plus, how much you want to add? 12 if you had, you will get 30. Understood children? Sorry, 18 plus, sorry, 22 if we had, you will get 18 plus 22. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 you will borrow here. 40 will come now children. See, correct. 18, 8 plus 2, 10. Here, 1, 2, 3. How much you want to add here? 18 plus 12 you want to add. You reach 30. 18 plus 12, you will reach 30. If you had 12, you will reach 30. Understood children? 18 is here. An empty box is there. You want to reach 30 means how much you want to add? 12. So 12 if you had, you will reach 30. 8 plus 2, 10. 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 3. 30. Like that you want to do the missing number. Find the missing numbers. Understood children? Now 29 is here. In middle 30 is there. 20 for 29. How much you want to add? Only 1 if we had, you will get 30. 29 plus 1, 30. See here, 29 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 3. How much you want to add? 1 you want to add, you will get 30. For 20, now you say children, how much you want to add it? Here 30 is here 20. For 30, how much you want to add? Think and write the answer properly. 20, if we had 10, you will get 30. So write here 30. Now next 25. 25, if you want to reach 30 means how much you want to add? 26. After 25 you want to count 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 5 you want to add. 25 plus 5, 0, 1, 30. If you had 5, you will reach 30. 22. 22. How much you want to add? 8. If you had 8 plus 8. See how much you want to add? 8. If you had 8, here you will get 30. Easy on the children, you want to add. If a plus is there, you want to add. Minus is there, you want to subtract. Now next one. Next one. See the next one, children. 10. 42 minus. See the sign children here. Here plus is there. Here minus. Minus means you want to take away. 30 minus 50 minus 47 minus 32 minus, see 42, first we will do this. For 42, you want to reach 10 children, how much you want to take away? 42 means you want to take away 32. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. You will get 10. If you take away 32, for 42 minus 32, you will get 10. In 30, how much you want to take away? 30. If you take away 20, you will get 10. See here, 20 you want to take away. In 50, how much you want to take away for 10? 40 you want to take away. 47. 47 means 37 you want to take away to reach 40, to reach 10. In 32, you want to take away 22, you will reach 10. Understood, children? Like that you want to do find the missing numbers. And now next, here. Forty. Here 20. Sorry, 20. Here 20 plus box. Here 10 plus 31, 36, 35. Now you want to reach 40, children. See the sign here, plus, plus, plus is there. No plus means you want to add 20. How much you want to add for 40? You want to add 20. If you add 20, you will get 40. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 2, 4. See here 10 is there, here 40 is there. For 40, how much you want to add? 30. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 3, 4. If you had 30, you will reach 40. Here 31, here 40. How much you want to add? 29. Sorry, children. 9 you want to add. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carry here. 3 plus 1, 10. Okay. 9 plus 1, 9 you want to add. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Sorry. You want to carry here 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1. 31 plus 9, you will reach 40. Now 36. If you write how much you want to add, 37, 38, 39, 40. 4 you want to add, you will reach 40. 35 means 5 you want to add, you will reach 40. Understood, children? See, 40 you want to reach. Here 10 plus 30, 40. 31 plus 9, 40. 36 plus 4, 40. 35 plus 5, 40. 20 plus 20, 40. Understood, children? Now the next one. That is also plus 50. 10, 28, 15, 16, See the numbers and write neatly, children. 28, 10 over no. Now next 35 here. 35. 37. Here 15. See for 50, how much you want to add here? 40. 10 plus 40, 50. Here, how much you want to add? 35. 35 plus 15, 50. 5 plus 5, 10, 4, 5. Here 37 is there, children. See 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 3 here. 13 you want to add. 9, 10, 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Here you want to add 15. Here 29, 30. After 30 plus 20, 22 if we add, you will get 50. Understood, children? Like that you want to do the now subtraction. $39 minus, you want to reach 20. Here 27 minus 28 minus here 75, here 70. See children, first one, this is second one, this is third one. First line two sums is there, no? This is first and second. This is third one and fourth one, this one fifth one. Fifth one you want to do subtraction. See you want to reach 20 means 30 minus how much you want to take away? 19 if you take away, you will get 20. Understood, children? See, 9 minus 9, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. Here, 27. You take away 7. If you take away 7, you will get 20. In 70, how much you want to take away? 50. 50 you want to take away, then you will get 20. Here, 75, 55 you want to take away. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 5, 2. Here 28, if you take away 8, you will reach 20. Understood, children? This is worksheet main. Find the missing numbers to reach the center. This main in worksheet also I gave no, children. For that I did explanation. Next page, now we will go to multiple choice questions. Next page, go to next page. Pick the correct answer. Is there no? We will finish it that. Which of the following is a multiple choice question? Page number 156. Page number multiple choice questions. Pick the correct answer. Pick the correct answer. Pick the correct answer. First one. Which of the following is a true statement? True statement. See, first one, the given 4 options is there, Chandra. First option is 62. Let's assign 165. Second one, 165, 174. Now C1, 245, 245. This also lesser than 174. Now D1, 174, 245. See children, here 4 options is there. This is 4 options is there now children. You want to check which one is correct. See the numbers. This is correct 62 or 165. This is the bigger number. No children. See here also 165, 174. See 165 is correct. No, wrong. Here 245 and 74 is there. Which sign is correct children? This one. This sign is correct. 245 is greater than 174. Sorry, you want to tick. For option, you want to tick. Second one. Difference between the largest 2-digit number and the smallest 2-digit number. Difference between the largest 2-digit number largest 2-digit number and the smallest 2-digit number. Option is 29, second one 89, C 19, C none of this. See, difference between the largest 2-digit number. Largest 2-digit number is 99 number and the smallest 2-digit number is 10. So 29, 89, 19, none of this is there children. Here no largest 2-digit also and smallest 2-digit also. So you want to tick for none of this. We finished to tick the correct answer. Next class I will do third I will continue from 3rd to 9 children. Now you close your textbooks, open your homework note. Maths homework note children, you want to take out maths homework note. Maths homework. Take fresh page. Take fresh page children. Write neatly. Last class I gave the number names to children 221 to 40. Today I am going to give 241 to 60. One time you want to write. Fresh page, you want to write in the fresh page. In one page only you want to continue, finish it. Don't go to next page. Understood children? Write the number names. First line you write the number names. (241 to 260) one time. How many times? One time you want to write in the fresh page. 241 to already I said no. After red line, leave one line and start from here. 200 spelling without spelling mistakes. 241. 41. Like that you want to continue one page only. 241. Write neatly without spelling mistakes. You see, so many children are doing for 40. You are writing spelling FOURTY. That is wrong, children. You want to write 40. FORTY. 40. Understood? 40. You want to write FORTY. 40. See, 241 to here 250. This side 251 to 260. You want to finish it in one page only. Understood, children? Thank you, children.